Today we're showing you how to make a spot treatment for breakouts. For this recipe, you'll need 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil, a ½ teaspoon of turmeric oil, and you can buy this oil or you can make your own using our instructional video, and 3 drops of sandalwood oil. To make our treatment, all we're going to do is take a funnel and pour the ingredients directly into the bottle. You'll notice in some of our videos that we mix all of the ingredients in a bowl ahead of time and then pour it in. And that's an option, but this is really an equally effective way of getting your product made. And it takes a little less time, so we really like it. So it might seem a bit counterintuitive to use oil on breakouts, but actually oils, and these oils in particular, are really amazing for clearing up any breakouts or pustules or skin irritations. And actually, when you're using something really harsh to try to dry out a pimple, this can actually be more damaging to your skin. So these oils are very nourishing, but they're also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and you'll notice that it brings down your breakout very, very quickly. To use this on your breakouts, you can just apply to the spot or spots once or twice a day, and you'll notice that it clears up very quickly. And that's how you make this super effective natural spot treatment.